welcome back to the channel. It's me, Starbear, and if you're new, hello, my name is Starbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun 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 dun. Guess what we're doing today? I'm back with another cookbook. The Adventure Time cookbook! My partner and I have been watching a lot of Adventure Time, and it made me remember how much I love the show. And then it made me also remember that I got this cookbook! I got it as a gift a couple of years ago, so I think it's about time that I make something from here. What are we making from the cookbook? Oh my gosh, I am so glad you asked what you're making. Dun dun! Bacon, bacon, pancakes! Bacon, 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 pancakes! But we're gonna be baking bacon pancakes by Jake. And it makes 14 pancakes. I ended up having the ingredients, so we're gonna be making about 7 instead. But we're gonna be making the pancakes, the walnut butter, and maple jelly. I have never made nut butter before. That sounds weird to say, but I'm really excited about that part. I have it in 3 different parts, and then we have, of course, for the pancakes, for the walnut butter, and for the maple jelly. So I don't think it'll take too long. I don't think. We do have a note from, I think, Jake up here. I would assume so, since it's by Jake. It has been a minute since I've made pancakes, TBH, but I used to make them a lot whenever I was a kid, so I'm sure it's not going to be that much different. I am really excited about making walnut butter though, because like, I haven't made that before, and if it's like super easy, then I'm not gonna worry about it. Though I did have to soak the walnuts for like 24 hours, so I mean, it's not the worst. It's honestly not the worst at all, actually. We only have 5 steps for the pancakes, 3 steps for the walnut butter. 3 steps! Only 3! So more added on to maybe it won't be that bad. And then maple jelly. Literally just that. No numbers. Just do 1. So technically speaking, it's about 9 steps altogether. So let's go ahead and see what it says up here. And it says, this book had what looked like a pancake recipe, but I ripped it out and tore the page up. Why? Because a plain old pancake has no place in Jake's kitchen. Pancakes require creativity and upgrades, like bacon. What could make a hot, fluffy pancake better than hickory smoked goodness? It surprises me that we don't come out of the womb with, like, ancestral knowledge that pancakes deserve bacon the same way they deserve syrup and butter. But I guess that's what cookbooks are for. Did I mention this was a good idea, Finn? That's so cute. Bacon, bacon, pancakes. Remember that remix? Dun, 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 dun. Bacon, pancakes, pancakes. It's gonna be stuck in my head all day. And here are all of the ingredients. Like I said, everything is halved, so it's not actually everything to make 14 pancakes. Wow! Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Bacon, bacon, pancakes! Bacon, pancakes! For the pancakes, combine dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients, then slowly add the dry ingredients until mixed thoroughly. Heat non-stick pan over medium heat and coat with non-stick spray. Using a serving spoon, carefully place a large spoonful of batter on pan, allowing the batter to fall straight off the tip of the spoon and naturally form an even circle. Good luck on that one. Cook until the bottom side is nicely browned. Then sprinkle the crisp bacon generously onto the pancake and flip immediately to cook the other side and seal the bacon into the pancake. Continue with the remainder of the batter. For the walnut butter, preheat the oven to 350 degrees and place walnuts on baking sheet in a single layer. Toast in oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Once the walnuts have cooled, place them in a food processor and process until they have reached the consistency of a paste. Slowly add the rest of the ingredients until mixed thoroughly. You may need to scrape the sides of the food processor throughout the process in order to make sure the walnut butter is well combined. For the maple jelly, combine all the ingredients in a blender or food processor and blend at high speed until thoroughly combined. Place in a container, cover it and chill for at least 2 hours before using. Oop! This will allow the jelly to firm up a bit. Oop! 2 hours? Toast the pancakes with as much walnut butter and maple jelly as you'd like and serve immediately. And here's the reveal. Wow, it looks good. Okay. It looks good. Oh my god. Holy crap. It looks so freaking good. Are you ready to try it? Okay. It looks so aesthetic.
They're thick.
Yeah, she's thick boy. This is good. What do you think?
It tastes like pancakes with bacon in them.
Bacon, bacon, pancakes!
Tastes kind of awesome.
Yeah, this is so good. I like the bacon pieces. It really does add to like the salty and sweet, which I'm a really big fan of. The apricot syrup is really sweet. Wow, who would have thought? That's good. That's super good. Bacon pancakes. I do taste the walnut butter, which I think I'm gonna try it by itself. I'm gonna be honest, not a lot going on. It does work well with the pancakes and the syrup, so it really, like, I feel like it doesn't like even out each other, but I think it tastes super, super good. Oh my god, Jake the dog. It's his whole government name. This is delicious. Oh my god. Yeah, woohoo. I was a little worried about the walnut butter because like whenever I was like it up, I thought I wasn't doing it right and it was becoming like more pasty, but I wasn't really believing that it really was. And so I don't know. I think I did okay with making it. I don't know, but I think it turned out super yummy. I think it's super duper cool that I did make that walnut butter. Whenever it said for the apricot syrup to sit for like 2 hours, I was like, oh my god, that's gonna take so long. I'm not gonna take 2 hours to make everything. It took me 2 hours to make everything. And I was like kind of taking my time and to like letting things cool and stuff, especially when I had to put the walnuts in the oven. So I kind of just like took my time with everything. But like even with me like leisurely doing it took 2 hours. That's not too bad, I guess. I mean, if you don't like taking too long to cook things like that. But like, I don't know. It's been a minute since I made pancakes, I'm not gonna lie. I do love them. They are delicious. And this was no different. They were delicious. Those bacon bits, bro. That was so good. I won't lie, the first time that I did make the pancake, I forgot to add the bacon bits before I flipped it, and I flipped it, and so there's just one plain ass pancake. Sorry, Jake the dog. Whenever I was making everything, oh my god, I don't know what my business was, but I'm clumsy. Everything was a mess. I kept dropping everything. I don't know. But we made it through. We made it through to the end. The food tasted fantastic, and I'm really happy with the result. Woohoo! What did you guys think of this? Do you guys like Adventure Time? Do you guys remember the bacon pancakes? There is this one clip that lives in my head rent-free, and it's John Menaggio. I think that's how you say your name. I'm so sorry if not. But there's that clip where he's like singing the song at like a panel, and oh my god, the energy in the crowd wasn't there, brother. Well, at least in the video recording, it didn't seem like it was. It could have been completely different as compared to like being there in person. But like, brother, please. I would be out there like bacon. I don't know, maybe not. Maybe I'm a liar. I don't know. But like, dude, where was the energy? I hope it was just the video, like not showing it properly, but like, oh my god. But anyway, I really enjoy Adventure Time. I think it's a great show. Mathematical. This is actually the first time that I made something from this cookbook because I have literally had this for years. It has been with me to multiple apartments, and for me to finally like come around and do this is really nice. Also, look at this. Do you see this? This is so cute. You see Jake, you see, what's her name? You see BMO, you see Ice King, you see, oh my god, you see Gunther, Lady Rainicorn, Princess Bubblegum. What is her name? Tree Trunks. It's so cute. Adventure Time! It does come in like breakfast, appetizers, main dishes, side dishes, beverages, desserts, Minerva Feast. And it's like a whole feast, so I don't know. And if there's anything that you want me to cook from here, please let me know in the comments down below. I'll be more than happy to. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment. I mean, only if you want to. You don't have to. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Why not? Or whatever, I'll be around. Bye!